Good morning, third class. How are you all? I hope you are fine at your home. So, the children, this is your 8th chapter from English grammar, adjectives. Adjectives, it means describing words. So, adjectives are describing words. They describe person, animals or birds, places or things. They tell us about the color, shape or size, just like white cow. So what is the color of cow? White. So the white word is giving the information about the cow. The cow is white. Circular table. How's the table? Circular. So the circular word is giving the information about the table. Circular table. Tall boy. The boy is tall. So tall is giving the information about the boy. So how is the boy? Boy is tall. They tell us how many there are. So just like numbers. Numbers always tell us. Numbers are also adjective because they tell us the quantity of the things. Just like a person or place. Just like 2 balloons. So how many balloons are there? 2 balloons. They tell us about some special quality. Just like crispy potato. How's the potato chips? Crispy. Kind woman. So how's the woman? Kind is describing to the woman's nature. So how is the woman? Woman is kind. Now look at these sentences. Look, Raman is a tall boy. So the word tall tell us what kind of boy Raman is. यानी कि रमन किस तरह का लड़का है. Is a बहुत लंबा है वो. तो it is tall is describing to the boy. So this is a fat hen. The word fat tell us what kind of bird this hen is. It means hen कैसी है? Hen fat है. तो जो fat word है, it's describing to the hen. White cow. So the word white tell us what color of this cow is. So this is a white cow. White is describing to the cow here. Arun has 2 balloons. So how many balloons has Arun? Arun has 2 balloons. So the word 2 tell us how many balloons Arun has. So it describes the quantity of the balloon. So tall, fat, white, 2, these are describing words. So like that, so many words are here which describe to the things, place, animals or things. Just like hot tea. So how's the tea? Tea is hot. The earth is round. So what is the shape of earth? Round. The box is heavy. So how is the box? Box is heavy. So the hot, round, heavy. These words describing the things here. So the children's chapter is completed here, and now you have to do some exercise. Just like underline the adjectives in the following sentence. The rainbow has 7 colors. So how many colors are there in a rainbow? 7. So 7 is describing the rainbow. So because a rainbow has 7 colors. Father brought for me a new set of brushes. So new is a describing word. So how's the set of brush? It is new set of brush. The old man could not cross the deep river. So the old and deep are adjectives here because old is describing to the man. How's the man? Man is old. So old man could not cross the deep river. So how's the river? River is deep. So deep is describing to the river and old is describing to the man. So these are adjectives here. Lovely roses grow in the garden. So what type of roses grow in the garden? Lovely. So lovely is an adjective. 15 children took part in the race. So how many children took part in the race? 15. So 15 is an adjective. The oranges are ripe and juicy. So ripe and juicy are adjectives because both are describing to the orange. The little child refused to take the bitter medicines. So bitter medicine, bitter because the medicines are bitter. So how's the medicines bitter? So bitter is describing to the medicines. Rahul is intelligent but lazy. So here two describing words from the for the Rahul. First, he is intelligent but he is lazy also. So the intelligent and lazy, both words are describing to the Rahul. Now in the B, underline the appropriate adjective in the following sentence. Just like which adjective the suit with the with this sentence. Thus, just like the sun is round or oval. The sun is round. Everyone likes to sleep on a soft or hard bed. Soft bed. Mummy gave me a sweet or bitter chocolate. Sweet chocolate. I saw some white clouds or green clouds. So, what is the color of clouds? White. So, white described to the clouds. The athlete was happy, sad when he won the race. So, athlete, of course, when he won the race, he would be happy. So, the happy is the adjective. In June is hot in the afternoon or cold. So, hot. June is very hot. Grandfather bought me ripe or raw apples for me. So, ripe apples. Children were not allowed to go to the shallow or deep and swimming pool. Deep swimming pool. So, deep. And this you have to do yourself. This is across and this is down. So these words you have to find in like that way, and the down words you have to find like in that way. So this work you will do yourself, and the chapter is completed. The next chapter we will do in the next class. Till then, bye, take care.